the flavour, the complexity, the growers, the ethics are all kind of forgotten in that process of getting into commodity chocolate. And that is not what food is about. Food's about telling stories and connecting with people and introducing them to something completely new.
We want our machines that have made chocolate perfectly in the past to do exactly the same for us. Talking about our roaster that's about 100 years old, it's obviously served its purpose brilliantly well and we want to continue its life. And then we've got this phenomenal machine called a 3-roll refiner, and you don't see them very much. We know that ours is one of only 2 or 3 in the world, and it just means that we have such great control over our batches. We know that the finished product is uniform and consistent.
We create an uncompromising Easter egg in every way that we can. It still tells the story of incredible projects, incredible farms, but it's in an almost impossible shape of this balloon of an object, packaged completely plastic free, which really does give you something to celebrate Easter with.